I just feel like, I don't know, it's a great opportunity for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're male, or female, even your age. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or you're 75.
And that's what's great about YouTube is that there are so many different channels, and anybody can be on YouTube. Everybody has value, everybody has something to add.
Something unique to share.
Yeah, everybody has a story to share, so anybody can be on YouTube.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com. Coming back to you with another video, and I'm here in Myrtle Beach with Sidney, Elle. And Sidney is an entrepreneur. She actually has been making money online for what, 2 years now?
Yeah, 2 full years.
2 years now, and we're actually in Myrtle Beach right now. I wish I could show you the view, but we're staring out at the ocean. There's actually dolphins swimming.
We're in the penthouse of this hotel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Making some really, hopefully making some really awesome videos for you guys. And in this video, what we want to talk about is 5 ways that Sidney, at 29 years old, is making a full-time income online. And I know there's a lot of people watching right now who they're working their 9-to-5 job and they're just daydreaming of being able to work for themselves, to have that freedom, to be able to travel and, you know, come to a reselling meetup.
Right out of college, absolutely.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people who don't believe that you can do it, but you've been doing this, and we're going to share these 5 ways that she's actually been making a full-time income. So which one do you think that we should start with right now? What's the most appropriate income stream that you think would be best?
We can start with Poshmark.
Poshmark? What is Poshmark?
So Poshmark is an app that you can resell fashion items on. You can sell women's, men's, kids' fashion. They also just added home decor, so you can also sell home decor items as well. But it's really easy to just list things and resell them. What I like about it is anybody can do it.
So where do you get these items from? Like thrift stores, garage sales?
Thrift stores. I started selling items from my house, just selling things from around my house.
Got it.
Eventually you run out, so you have to start going to thrift stores and finding other sources.
Yeah, people don't realize how much money you can make at an actual thrift store. I mean, I've gone in before and I found Levi's jeans that have sold for over $200. I found, you know, shoes. I just sold a pair of shoes. I forget what it was called, but I didn't even know what the brand was, but it was a really nice pair of leather Oxford shoes. And I looked it up and they were going for like $500. We ended up getting around like $300, but like you guys can do that. And on Poshmark, because I'm an eBay seller, you can actually get more money on Poshmark.
The price point on Poshmark is a little bit higher than eBay usually. Yeah, because I've sold on eBay in the past too. So usually stuff goes for more on Poshmark.
So if you like fashion, especially women's, because on women's I know Poshmark is...
For a long time, it was just a women's app.
Men are coming on.
Yeah, it was only for women. Well, you were only allowed to sell women's fashion on here. And then they eventually added men's and kids, and now the home decor. Yeah, and I noticed Poshmark's starting to go on like national TV, a lot of commercials and stuff like that. So I honestly, you know, I've been selling on eBay, Amazon. I have a couple friends that do Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, but I really think one of the #1 trending resale sites right now that have a really bright future is Poshmark. Oh yeah, for sure. It's so simple. It's just, I've sold on almost every platform. Yeah. And it's definitely the most simple of all of them. And you can just start with stuff around your house. You don't even have to go to thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales. Just start selling stuff around your house. Check out our YouTube channel, which is Sidney Elle. She's got a lot of Poshmark content. So that's income. That's income stream #1, which is Poshmark. Again, I do eBay, Amazon FBA. That's kind of like in the reselling space. But now we're going to talk about some other ways to make money. Let's talk about YouTube, because I honestly believe if you're a reseller and you're selling on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Poshmark, it's a no-brainer. I believe that we should all be on YouTube. You should be on YouTube. Really, any entrepreneur should be on YouTube. YouTube is just an amazing platform. It's not like other social media platforms, just because it's basically a massive search engine. So you can create content on YouTube and it will live on, versus if you post something on Facebook or on Instagram, you know, it kind of dies off within a couple days. But people are constantly searching YouTube. I have YouTube videos from 2-3 years ago that are still getting views and comments on them. So how do you make money on YouTube? So YouTube hooks up to Google AdSense, and then you have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to have your channel monetized, and YouTube will actually place ads on your channel, and you can make money from the ads that are on your videos.
And we were talking last night, we were having a little mastermind call when I was driving from Virginia to Myrtle Beach, and we were talking about how much YouTube pays us, and in the reselling space, they actually pay you really good money compared to like if you're doing like prank videos or just daily vlogs. It's over $10 per 1,000 views. Some people are up to 15, sometimes 20. I've got some playback videos because they pay you based on like people watching it and then like playback views. I have some videos that for every 1,000 views, they pay me upwards like sometimes over $30 per 1,000 views. So like if you get a video that gets 40, 50, 60,000 views, like you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars.
Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah. Especially in this niche that we're in, the money making, educational. You know, you're going to make more doing that than you are doing, you know, home decor or just, you know, fun videos for entertainment. If you are doing educational content, you're going to make more money. Yeah.
And like you were saying before, everyone should be doing it. We're in the era now of, you know, personal branding and building your own brand. And it's huge right now. If you build your own brand and you add value and you help people, there's so many ways to make money. We're actually going to get into some more ways to make money. So we talked about Poshmark, which is reselling. Reselling stuff from garage sales, thrift stores, maybe stuff lying around your house. There's so many ways to resell stuff online, and both our channels have that. We talked about YouTube, which YouTube, they'll pay you through Google AdSense. So when someone watches a video or they click on an ad, you get paid. It'll differ depending on your niche. But a third way that we were talking about behind the scenes, and this stems from YouTube, is affiliate marketing.
Correct. Yes.
So how does what is affiliate marketing, and what's that have to do with YouTube?
So you can link products on your videos. For example, you can sign up for Amazon Associates, which is the Amazon affiliate program, and you can link the products that you use, anything that you're recommending to people, for them to buy, and you can link those in the bottom of your video so that when they click on your Amazon links, you can actually make a commission off the items that they're buying.
So how does that work? So what happens if they click on a link and then they don't buy something, and then maybe they buy something like 12 hours later?
You still make a commission on it. So basically for the next 24 hours, if they click on your link and then they buy something off of Amazon within the next 24 hours, you get paid for that. You make a commission on that. So for example, someone clicked on my link, but they didn't buy anything from me, but then they bought a $500 espresso machine. So
that happened to you?
Yes.
Really? What'd you make on that?
I think it was about $25.
Yeah.
Just from them clicking on my link, I made $25.
Was it around Christmas time?
No, it was like a couple weeks ago.
I feel like around Christmas time, like especially if you have a Facebook group, right? And you know, our buddy Rockstar Flipper, shout out to Rockstar Flipper. He's got a Facebook group with what, over 100,000?
Over 100,000 people.
He's really smart. And if you guys aren't following him, follow Rockstar Flipper, join his Facebook group. I forget what it's called.
Thrifter Reseller World.
Yeah, but he posts a lot of Amazon associate links in there.
Yeah.
And some of them don't have anything to do with actual reselling. And he'll say,
you can post anything.
Yeah. But he always puts a disclaimer, which I respect about him. Like, he's very open and transparent. But he'll post things knowing that people will click because it's interesting.
Right, yeah.
And then people will go ahead and buy something else.
Yeah, so the goal is to get them to click on your link so that they, you know, anybody who buys something off of Amazon, and people are buying stuff off Amazon every day. So you will get paid for those items that they're buying.
Do you promote anything else outside of Amazon Associates, which is a great way to start?
I'm actually a member of this. It's kind of an affiliate program called Shop Style. So they have an entire database of mostly fashion items, clothes, decor, things like that.
Yeah.
And I have affiliate links for those too.
Cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so having affiliate relationships is great because you don't have to spend the time actually building the product.
Right, and then if a company also contacts you and wants you to, you know, advertise their product, often they'll give you an affiliate link as well.
So is that the same as, and I guess we're going to number 4, the fourth way that Sidney is making money online, which is cool. 29 years old. I know there's a lot of females out there watching right now.
Absolutely.
I have a ton of females that watch my videos, and a lot of them are on the sidelines saying, I don't know if I should do it. And we were talking behind the scenes that even when you were researching, there seems to be a lot more male, YouTube channels and entrepreneurs. And I just feel like, I don't know, it's a great opportunity for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're male or female, even your age. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or you're $75.
And that's what's great about YouTube is that there are so many different channels, and anybody can be on YouTube. Everybody has value. Everybody has something to add.
Something unique to share.
Yeah, everybody has a story to share, so anybody can be on YouTube.
Sponsorships, that was number 4, and that stems from, well, it stems off of YouTube, because people are finding you off of your YouTube videos, and they're reaching out, and affiliate marketing, because sometimes maybe you have an affiliate relationship as well, and then there's a sponsorship involved. What is sponsorships? How does that work? I've never really done many sponsorships.
So a sponsorship is when a company contacts you and they want to collaborate with you on a video, and they will actually pay you to make a video for them, highlighting their company, and you'll say in your video, this is a sponsored video, and you're basically doing an advertisement in your video for the company.
Does it have to be a video only? I don't know, say you're going to do an advertisement for Raiken Profit, right? I reached out to you, and maybe I had a clothing brand or something.
Right, yeah.
Coming soon, just kidding.
Merch.
Yeah, but say I had a clothing brand and I wanted you to promote it for me, so that would be a sponsorship relationship, and I could say, well, I'll give you $300. Is that going to be a video just for my clothing brand, or is it going to be like a 10 or a 20-second clip, or is that all up to negotiation?
So that's all up to negotiation. Usually the company will send you over a contract, and it will specify if they want a dedicated video for their product, or if they want you to, organically highlight their product in a video that you would already be doing, which usually works better in terms of getting people to buy something. Instead of doing a dedicated video, hey, buy this, you're working it into a video that you're already doing, and it's more relatable, and it gives people a reason to buy it.
And I've even noticed on my YouTube channel, if I do a video only dedicated to like promoting something, whether it's a webinar or a product or a course, the view count is way lower versus, say I wanted to promote some type of reselling course or something, have the first maybe half of the video be all content, something people enjoy and love, and maybe in the beginning you say, hey, at the end I'm going to share something, or in the middle of the video. So definitely some great tips right there. And the 5th way to make money online that you're doing right now is you're actually teaching. So you do have free content that you share on YouTube, but there's always people who reach out and they're like, hey, how do I do this? Or I want coaching, or how do I take my business to the next level? And there's only so much you can really put into free videos.
Right. So, and then you can take it to the next level and offer, group trainings. You can do one-on-one coaching with people. There's a ton of platforms where you can actually create your own courses to where, you create it once.
Like Teachable.
Then, you can do Teachable. You can do Thinkific. There's so many different platforms now where you can do courses. And you can do live courses, or you can do recorded. There's just a ton of opportunity in digital teaching.
Courses changed my life. I remember 5 years ago, over 6 years ago, I had started on YouTube, and I was teaching people about making money selling clothing on eBay from thrift stores and stuff. And people kept asking me, what are the best clothing brands? What are the best clothing brands? And I kept making videos, but they're like, I want something compiled. I want something I could take to the thrift store. Like, people kept asking and asking. So all I did is I just made a list of 101 of the best clothing brands. A guide, and then I put detail in it. Just wasn't like a stupid list. And literally that year we sold over 1,000 guides at like $20 a pop, which is dirt cheap. These people can go and use that $20 guide and make hundreds and thousands of dollars.
And that's helping them to make money. I mean, if you want to go to college and learn how to do a skill, you have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars.
One class is thousands of dollars.
So, you can go online now and you can take a course and, buy a guide for $20 and you're making money. You're making thousands of dollars because you're learning how to sell things and what you should be selling.
And that's why I feel like it's so valuable to get on YouTube, start building the relationship, start adding value, start listening to what people want, because we all have a unique skill set. We have something that we're really, really good at. And that could be Poshmark or eBay, or it could be fitness or health, or cooking recipes, but there's always a niche within a niche. So you don't have to create a course only about Poshmark. Like, it could be something so specific, like marketing for Poshmark sellers, all about sharing and or keyword research.
Often those are the videos that do the best. If you go really, really specific, a video that nobody else has, your video is going to do really well.
Exactly. So, hey, thank you for coming on the channel.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. And if you guys want to follow Sidney, go check her out, Sidney Elle.
Sidney Elle on YouTube and Thrifting Debutante on Instagram.
Awesome. And I'm looking forward to seeing how she does in 2020 because you're definitely crushing it right now. Yeah. And the opportunities, the opportunities on the internet is just endless. Yes. So if you guys liked this video, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let us know, out of the 5 income streams that we talked about, which one are you most interested in? Which one would you like to learn more about? Is it affiliate marketing? Is it sponsorships? Is it teaching, selling digital courses, YouTube, Poshmark, eBay, whatever it is? Let us know in the comments. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.